In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a cross selection using Merge horizontally in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever wanted a clean, centered heading that spans multiple columns, this method gives you that polished look quickly. First, open your sheet and select the range of cells you want the text to cover. Click in the first cell, then drag across to the last column you want included. You can include multiple rows if you want each row to have its own merged area. Just drag down while you select. Before you merge, double-check that only one cell in each row contains the text you want to keep. When cells merge, Google Sheets keeps the content from the leftmost cell and clears the rest, so move or copy any important entries out of the way first. Next, go to the menu bar and choose Format, then Merge Cells, and click Merge horizontally. This option merges cells across each selected row without combining the rows together. Avoid choosing Merge all unless you truly want a single large cell, because that changes how your data is structured. Now enter or select the text you want to center. If you haven't typed it yet, click the merged cell and add your heading. If your text is already in the leftmost cell of the selection, you're set. Your text will appear centered across the newly merged cells. This is perfect for titles above a table or section labels that should stretch across several columns while remaining neatly centered. If you need to undo the merge, go back to Format, then Merge Cells, and choose Unmerge. The cells will separate back into their original layout, and the text will remain in the first cell of each row. To refine the look, use the horizontal alignment controls in the toolbar. Click the alignment icon and choose Center to keep the text visually balanced. If you prefer a different position, switch to left or right. You can also tweak font size, bold, or background color to make the heading stand out. A quick tip: merged cells can interfere with sorting, filtering, and some formulas. If you plan to analyze the data later, consider unmerging before those tasks, then reapply the merge when you're done. That's it. Your text is centered across the selection using Merge horizontally, and your sheet looks clean and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.